Get ready to be amazed because this You Love Cool item stick is officially taking over the internet. Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't